So now let's go to problem 3, which gives us a more complex figure. It looks like sort of the sun. Okay, we've got this geometric figure here that has a circle in the middle and has all these smaller triangles in an arrangement around the circle. And again, we've got to figure out line symmetry. So I've made a cutout of the circle, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to try to fold it in different ways to see which ways we could fold it that will have the circle fold on top of itself. So let's go ahead and let's start with the same sort of strategy we've been using, and let's try to make a fold from the tip of one triangle to the tip of another triangle, and let's see if that will work. So I'm going to fold this sun over like such. Maybe if I do it with both hands, I can kind of coordinate it a little bit better. Okay, good. So I've got myself a nice folding. Okay, the sun folds on itself perfectly like this, from one tip of one triangle to one tip of the other, and when I unfold it, I've got myself my first line of symmetry. So let me go ahead and draw it out. So this is my first line of symmetry, from one tip to the other tip. It just has to be approximate, so you get the idea from there to there. Okay, that's our first line of symmetry. Well, let's see, can we keep on doing this? I think we can. Let's fold now along this triangle. We go from this triangle to this one. Let's see, can we fold it through one tip to another? And again, oops, I want to fold it on this side. Okay, can I do it? From one tip to another tip. Yes, it looks promising. There we go. Okay, good. Flatten that out, flatten this out, and now I've got it again. I've got triangle, one side is on top of the other side. Okay, good. Let me make a nice strong crease here. Let me open it up, and now I've got myself another nice line of symmetry down the center of the object. Let me go ahead and draw that one in so it's easier to see. From one tip of the triangle to another tip of the triangle, from here down to there. Okay, now I can keep on doing this between every tips of the triangle. I'm not going to do any more folding. I think you get it by now, okay, that I could do the same thing between these two triangles. So I'm just going to draw a line of symmetry down, because if you want to be convinced, you could go ahead and fold it yourself, but I think that you probably get the idea that this will work. This is another line of symmetry. I'm trying not to move things around too much. Okay, good. That's another line of symmetry. And we have another line of symmetry, the fourth line of symmetry, between these two tips of a triangle here. Let's go ahead and draw that line of symmetry. Okay, so now if we do the strategy from one tip of a triangle to the other, we have 4 lines of symmetry. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, 4 lines of symmetry. Convince yourself that so far we've got 4. But we found that there's another strategy that sometimes works, which is not just folding from tip to tip, but folding from between the triangles to between the triangles. What I mean by that is, let's fold it now in such a way so that we're between triangles. We're folding on the crease between the triangles like that. And let's see, can we fold this figure on top of itself? And we can. Okay, so we've got a very nice folding like that. Okay, and notice that we're not going between the triangles. We're not going within a triangle, going between it. So on both sides, we've got a nice folding over. When we open this up, we see that we've got our line of symmetry that goes from here to here. Let's draw this line of symmetry from here to here, along the crease. Okay, good. So that's a 5th line of symmetry. Can we keep on doing this? Can we, let's say, go from here to here and try folding it over like that? Yes, I think you can see we can keep doing things like that. So let's go ahead and let's do one more that would be between the triangles. This folds this triangle into this one. we've got all the triangles folding on top of themselves, and we have to sort of hold it to make it evenly. Okay, good. I'm going to really make that crease hard. You can see that this and this is a line of symmetry. We've folded the sun on top of itself. I'm going to undo this, and now I am going to draw in that line of symmetry that we just folded along, which is from here to here. There we go. Okay, so we have 1, 2. I'm not going to do the rest for you, but you could see that we've got 1. So we had the 4 initially, then we had a 5th one, we had a 6th one, and I think you could see there'll be a 7th one from here to here, and finally there will be an 8th one from here to here. I'm going to draw those in. If you wish to fold them on your own to convince yourself that they are indeed lines of symmetry, you could go ahead and do that. And this makes a total of, we'll count them up, should be 8. Okay, so we've got 8 lines of symmetry. When we go and count everything, we start here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so we have 8 lines of symmetry in this. You should look at this and convince yourself that there are indeed 8 lines of symmetry.